Okay guys, and this is, oh shit, back to the William fam. For those that are new, welcome. For my oldies, welcome back. Thank you guys for sticking and rocking with us. I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update on what we're doing today. I am actually going to be doing a behind the scenes get ready with me and try on haul. Yeah, so I'm gonna go doing a get ready behind the scenes try on haul, so you guys could come and see a little bit of that, to make some dinner. And of course, I miss you guys. I like really miss vlogging. It's been very hard not being able to vlog, and you know, you guys know that my regular schedule is Sunday, Wednesday, Friday, and sometimes in between that uploads, right? I usually upload 3 times a week, and now it's almost like once in a while you guys see a video from me, or you hardly see any. But like I told you guys, there's just been a lot that's been going on, and if you're not subscribed to my beauty channel as yet, you can go ahead and subscribe to that. It will be Shann Studio. It would be in the description box below, so you guys could go out and check out videos on there. I do upload a little bit more videos on there because it's a lot of sit down and stuff like that, so definitely check it out. And yeah, it's been there's just been a lot that has been going on, and this time of year is not necessarily my time of year, well, this season, because it is winter season. It's not my time of year, but Christmas season is definitely my season. I love Christmas. Christmas is one of my favorite times of the year. You know, all the decorations, the Christmas movie, just the joys, baking with the kids, the Christmas cookies, just certain things that I don't get to do until the end of the year, like the nice big feast, having a nice big dinner with my family, and just us just being able to be home together and doing things together. That's something that I really enjoy. So this time of year, I always look forward to it, and I look forward to like seeing family that I haven't seen in a long time. But you know, with the pandemic going on, there is just so much going on. But I hope you guys like my last video that I uploaded, like sitting down and talking about giving you guys a little bit of an insight about what was going on. Sorry for keeping you guys in the dark so long. For those that have been wondering, there is some people that do watch. You know, in life, it's not everybody that's gonna be on social media and love and watch your vlogs and stuff like that, and love you and love your family and love the type of person and love that you are real and putting real things out there instead of fake. You have some people that they sit and they like to criticize people's life, and some of them, they're not really watching you to say, oh, you know, wow, that person's doing good, I'm proud of that person. Enough of them are just watching you to see your downfall. So, and like I always say, I choose what I decide to put out, or what me and my husband decide to release out on our vlogs. So we decided that we were going to put it out there and let you guys know that, yeah, we have a lot of changes coming into this video. So I'm just going to showing you guys the behind the scenes. I've gotten some clothes, and I was like, you know what, let me get up. I had a little bit burst of energy, get my spirits up, and do a try on haul. So let's get into that, and we will see what's up for the day. And yeah, I guess I will show you guys what the kids them are up to right now. They're currently in school, so they're doing some school stuff, so that is what they are doing. So, and I'm just here actually recording another video for my other channel. I'm also doing that. So today I have a busy day. I have about 3 or 4 videos that I need to get done and get back on my grind, because your girl used to be on it. I would usually take a whole day and sit down and do a lot of filming and then editing, and editing takes hours, guys. So it ain't easy, but you know, I love and I care about everybody that's been supporting us and have been there. And to all the new people, welcome to the channel. I hope you guys like what you see so far, and sorry that we have not been uploading a lot. We're hoping that, you know, maybe we can get back in the swing of things. We will see the circumstances and how I'm feeling. And yeah, if you guys have any video ideas that you guys want to see, definitely drop them in the comments below. You know, I love interacting with you guys, because if you guys realize, I'm always down in the comments. So definitely have any video ideas that you guys would like to see, or like to even challenges that you guys would like to see me and hubby do, or me and the kids, then definitely, you know, drop it in the comments below, or even story time. So definitely let us know. So let me get back and get my face together. And yeah, I am doing, well, I'm doing my makeup and I'm getting ready to do a behind the scenes try on haul. So let's get into this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. So, you know, I'm gonna quickly slide through this to get my makeup done, and we'll get into this try and haul just now. So let me hurry up and slide through and get my eyebrow done. Can't really vlogmas is almost here. Hey guys, so I just, as you see, I finished doing my makeup, and I am going to go get my clothes on now. Like I said, I'm showing you guys a little bit of behind the scenes, what I do when I am doing some, whether it's a sponsorship video, you know, I'm just vlogging, and these are some of the things that happens behind the scenes to pretty much getting ready. So what you guys see sometimes is not on the video. It's not that easy to just get up and look the way. There's a lot that goes into it. You gotta plan and also execute that plan as best as possible. So as you see, it's kind of like, well, it is Christmas time, yeah. So I just kind of did my makeup like a little bit type of to go with the vibes and what I'm going to wear. So it's time to switch out into my outfit and yeah, get in the vibes for this video, guys. Yes, oh, I feel like myself. It's been a while. So yeah, let's go get that clothes on and I'll show you guys what I'm working with. Yes, and I gotta go start making dinner, so let me go season up that meat first. So I'm finally going to get changed now. Dinner is on, and yeah, so dinner is on, and I'm going to go get changed to go do my other video that I have to get done. I am running behind, so I don't know if hubby's gonna do the other video with me today, as opposed that he has a headache, but if not, then I will just do my backup video that I have. So that is going to be the plan. So let me get change and yeah, let's get into this video. Try on haul for you guys, and it's all from, make sure my address is covered. As you can see, Fashion Nova, baby. Yes guys, so this try on haul is all from Fashion Nova. So I'm definitely going to try on these pieces and let you guys see what they look like. Well, let's get into the video. Nova, and they also got Nova, baby. So let's go. I also made my Christmas seasoning. Look, it's a little bit red because I made it especially for the Christmas, so the color change, and it has a little bit different ingredients in it this time for my meat seasoning. So yeah, so I just wanted to come and show you guys. I didn't vlog it this morning, but yeah, so this is my Christmas seasoning. I gotta get some jars and I'm going to bottle it up for the holidays. So this should serve me at least until the new year. Well, not this alone, I have another big jug that I made so I gotta go out to the store and get some jars and then get it done, so I have it to last me for the rest of the year. Yes, I'm trying to get hubby to do this try on haul. It's hubby rate my outfit with me, and this is one of the outfit that I have on right now that he's going to rate from the companies that I bought some stuff for. So it's a few different companies. There's Fashion Nova, Wholesale 7, and another company. So I'm gonna do a haul. I know he came home, he's not feeling too 100, he has a headache, so hopefully we can get the haul done. And let's see, he rate my outfit. So this is one of my bedtime daytime outfit, so let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this will be the first outfit he will be rating, and yeah, so but we'll see. He's gonna give the outfits them 1 as he doesn't like it, or 0 to 10 being the most. So this is one of them. Like I said, it's a 2-piece, but I wear it to bed and I wear it in the house as lounge wear. So I'm still seasoning the chicken so I'm gonna go put the seasoning on and then actually get Faye to put it in the oven for me, and then I could get the other video done because I still have a couple more video to do. So your girl has been working today. I've had a very productive day. So when I get this burst of energy, I like to get things done and get them done and out the way. So I literally just finished my other video. I'm about to start doing the other one, but I might get Rissa to help me with this one. So I think I might have to go for the backup video since hubby is not here. Well, since hubby's here, but he has a headache. This video that I will be doing next, it will be on Shann Studio channel, so my beauty and lifestyle and makeup channel. So it will be on that channel if you guys want to see it, and it's going to be a try on haul. Like I said, this is just the behind the scenes, and I'm trying to get out some videos for you guys so you guys can kind of see what's been going on and how things have been going. So I just finished recording my video giving an update about failing nursing school and about us moving. Yes, and just dealing with our side business and stuff like that that we have going on. But if you guys want a much updated video, definitely send in. You could, whether you want to email me or you want to message me on Snapchat or Instagram, or even put in a comment below. Ask your questions, and me and hubby will do an updated Q&A. And I'm sure for the new subscribers, you guys would like a Q&A. I am sure if you guys have not watched any of our previous Q&A, you guys could definitely send in some questions and I will answer them. Well, we will answer them as best as we can. So let me get myself together. Well, let me go check on the pot and let me get myself together and get into this next video. Right now I am currently supposed to be starting class just now too, so let's get into this. All right, so this is also another outfit, and this is more capris. So, and it's more like a crop top for those that kind of want to show off their figure. I'm trying to kind of hide mine. The next outfit, and this is in size medium. This outfit is from Fashion Nova. It's called Always Keep It Classy mid-skirt set. So this is what it looks like. Oh no, that's not it, my bad. I have some shades to go with this, and this is the baddie shade, and this is also from Fashion Nova. It got a nice bling to the side, as you can see. Yes, I like it. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like the glasses? I like it so far, so good. Guys, and this is, oh shit, on these nice cute shorts with this full, what is this, this until the end of time bodysuit. Oh my, I didn't even get to end the vlog, guys. I just remember I started eating, so I am currently having some rice with some jerk wings for dinner. Mr. Williams already ate, and I just remember I didn't end the vlog, so I'm coming to actually end the vlog now to say I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the fam, the William fam, where it's always a vibes over here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog or the videos yet to come, and I guess I'll catch you all in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me, die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want my